Hey, Nomadic Weather Bear here. We're here at Bonita Beach. We're getting some high tide. You can see the surf's coming up almost to the parking lot. We're not going to go crazy and get too close like some people have been doing, but it's starting to wash onto the parking lot. High tide is coming later. They're expecting a storm surge in a couple hours. We thought we'd just come down here and get some video of it, take some pics. We got the winds blowing, so we're not going to stay here too long. We just wanted to check it out. And you can see the surge is coming in, and we're still protecting it. Woo! So we're going to close the windows.
This almost blew out.
Yeah, and we're going to back up.
I want to get a picture of it.
Okay. So, well, honey.
Well, I can't yet.
Get out. So we're going to back out here. Get some more pictures. Whoop. Can you see it now? So there's the surf, as you can see.
Oh, I can see it.
I got surf. See the surf coming over the parking area to that, huh? Pretty soon they're probably going to close the gate, I would assume. Pretty cool, huh? Surf's up. Surf's up. So we're going to boogie on out of here before the high tide moves in. So here, you want to hold the camera?
Oh, no. Give me some pictures.
I took some pictures.
Oh, okay.
So we're getting in some water, so we're going to scoot on out.
Oh, my.
Yeah, there's the little crazier people, but everybody wants to have fun and get the pictures. You can see the wind still blowing. And there's the surf. There are some people getting out of their cars. We'll stay inside. You can see the winds are really blowing. Probably gusting to 70 or thereabouts. But again, the tide's coming in. This place is going to get inundated in a little while. So I'm going to keep the video going as we drive out of here, just to show you that there has been a little bit of damage, not too much. So we have branches. Branches on the road. I'm sure they're going to have the popos here pretty soon.
Oh, yeah, they'll block it.
Yeah, I'm surprised they're still letting people on. But it's about the right time to do it. So we're going to head on out back inland, out of the, there goes a branch blowing by.
Crap.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Ta-da! So a lot of branches, a lot of trees. Again, rain has really let up. But they had some stronger winds here earlier, as evidenced by all the branches on the road. They're blowing off. Mainly the palm fronds, right?
Yeah.
So you can see here we got more damage. Beeping? I don't know. And you can see the damage here. So and barely raining, but we're going to head back inland to the RV park where it's safe, and we'll see how far the storm surge comes in, and there's, again, more cool pictures. You hear the wind. Mm-hmm. No trees down, just a lot of branches and palm fronds, they're called, right?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to head back inland, because we didn't want to get washed away into the ocean. I was kind of surprised it was that far up, weren't you?
No.
You weren't that surprised?
No.
We haven't reached high tide yet.
When I was young and dumb, I used to go down.
Well, we haven't reached high tide yet. That's why I was surprised. It's not till this afternoon. But, so you can see the more damage here. Just a lot of trees. Got some cleaning up to do. And this isn't where the main hurricane is hit. This is, I mean, there's places north of here that are going to get hit much worse than this. So we kind of lucked out here. The eye missed us by about 80 miles to the west, and it's going to hit Port Charlotte and places like that. What was the other, Captiva it's called?
Yeah.
Captiva?
Captiva Island.
Captiva Island, right. But the winds are still cranking. I mean, we're closer to the shore, so the winds are a little stronger. There was an accident that we passed up here, so we're going to see if it was still there, but I don't remember if it was before 41 or not.
Oh, it's after.
So we're going to turn on 41 to head back to the RV park, get back to where it's relatively safe. So this isn't 41, is it?
No, this is Van
coastline, the wind's a lot less severe. So a lot of places boarded up, places closed. Pause it. Okay, we're picking up. We're out near Vanderbilt Beach right now. We're getting some standing water on the roads. Tide's starting to come in, it looks like, a little bit on some of the homes. So road's still passable, but I'm sure that as the high tide rolls in, it's gonna get worser. Worser? It's gonna get not as passable.
Oh,
So I'm gonna follow this
boat.
truck. Yeah, that's no worse than it was at my RV park. So I know there's a place up here where there's a little cul-de-sac where you can go to the beach, and I'll check it out. Now, it might be inundated with water, in which case we'll just turn around and well, Vanderbilt Beach Road's right up here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just follow this guy. There are some low spots here, that's for sure. I used to ride my bike through here back in the day before the apocalypse. Back when humans thrived. So there's some really nice condos and apartments here. But a lot of them are boarded up. I guess if you're on the second or third floor, you're probably okay, huh? What do you think?
I don't know. The power's going to go out. You're going to have to actually use the stairs.
That's true. Well, the power's been out on a lot of these
I know the
lights.
Yeah, the
that we've
emergency
been
lights.
on. So, as you can see, I don't know if this is just standing water or if this is actual ocean water. I can't really tell. It smelled pretty brackish earlier, which is the, what is it, salt and freshwater mix?
Yeah, that's a mix.
We got some gusty winds, just still a lot of down branches. Winds have actually let up quite a bit here from what they were. We just might be getting some blockage from the buildings. But I think coming up here is that place where you would go to the beach, but I don't know if there's going to be anybody there. We can check it out. They might have it closed off. So, how far are we from Naples Pier?
Not far.
Okay, so this is Vanderbilt Road. Gosh, there used to be a bar here. They completely tore it down.
Wow.
Wonder what happened.
They ran out of booze.
Nobody ever.
And the tourists complained.
Yeah, so this is where the beach is here. Looks like they've got it. Well, it's not blocked off.
No.
But we can see what's going on. There's a car stopped here. And if we want to, we can pull in, just check it out. Looks like some water's starting to run in. They got kids here, which is amazing to me. So you can see the water starting to run in across
we can't get through there.
the beach. There's a truck parked there, kind of blocking us.
We can't get through.
I think we're okay.
I know.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
So you can see the water starting to rush. Here comes the ocean. Look out, everybody. Here it comes.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Here's the ocean. Okay, I think look at, they got kids there playing and everything.
I wanted
Take a picture. We
yeah.
got kids, we got just crazy people out there as the water comes in, high tide. We're gonna boogie on out of here pretty quick. We're trying to get a picture. And we're gonna go to safer ground. How crazy is that, huh? Oh, we timed that pretty well. So this is all ocean water coming over the parking lot, and everyone's out having a good time. And we're gonna get out of here while the getting's good.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh? So here comes the ocean. So, and it's not even high tide yet, y'all. So, how's that for fun?
That's not the word I would have used.
Did you see the wave came in right as we went around? That was freaking awesome. Okay, we're gonna head back to the RV park, y'all. Y'all take it easy. I'm gonna put it on pause. So, bye-bye. Okay, we're on Highway 41, away from the beach now, heading back to the RV park, Tamiami Drive, trail, road. A lot of twigs, branches. Back earlier there were a lot of the palm tree fronds that had fallen off. And not nearly as many here, but they're scattered a boot.
Well, they don't have any water.
So where are we at? Which road is this coming on?
No, we're almost to Longview.
Look at those lights move. Look at those trees.
There's water.
The winds are hauling ass.
probably gusting to 70 or more.
McDonald's is boarded up.
So we're full force with the backside of this hurricane as it pulls away. Again, we're getting the onshore flow now, so it's going to continue to bring the ocean onshore, but we're inland far enough where we're not in a flood area, but it doesn't mean we won't get some minor flood. We're already at it. Not a lot of people out on the road. Good reason. But, I thought it was safe enough to go out and have some fun, and Connie agreed. Kicking and screaming now. She thought it'd be cool too. And we got some good pictures and video of the craziness. And again, we're not in the strong part of the hurricane. We're in the outer bands where the wind speeds are 50 miles per hour less than the center of this storm, which is nasty. Okay, we're coming up on the golf course now. So more frams. We got more fronds falling. Yepper. They're everywhere. There's gonna be a lot of cleanup, huh?
Yeah, but this isn't bad.
No. But they're gonna lose more. Look how strong the wind's blowing.
Oh yeah.
So we're coming up on Wiggins, which is our road to get to the RV park. Hopefully Harvey's okay.
We'll find out.
He's in a wind-protected area, though, which is nice.
Unless the branches go.
Yeah, I'm sure there's some branches. Oh, so here we are, Wiggins Pass. Yeah.
Yay.
See the guy out for a walk.
Oh, look at the stop sign.
Stop sign going cray. Yep. About the same as it did when we left. The irrigation thing's all filled and the roads are flooding and the parking lot's going to be flooded.
Well, we're super saturated.
We're super duper saturated. In fact, the river's running out of the park onto the road here. This is all fresh water. None of your brackish seawater here. This is all just ponding water because this park cannot handle rain. A lot of the parks here, just terrible drainage, and the water's or the ground is saturated because it's been a super wet summer, even wetter than normal from the people that I've talked to. So, almost home. Oh,
how are we gonna get around? You want me to move them?
No, we'll get around it. I could just drive over them, but I'll go around them here. These two were down earlier, weren't they? They just were not on the road.
We're not yet.
Good. Another lake to go through. More branches. Best I can tell, it seems like the trees are still standing.
Oh, look, that came apart.
Near Harvey.
Did you see that?
Oh, yeah, fence damage. Got fence damage.
Just like my shed.
Yeah.
Oh, there's somebody's vacuum cleaner out in the rain.
It's not ours, is it?
No.
So again, you can see the trees that are behind us that sort of are protecting us from the wind. So as long as they hold, we'll be good. But it's actually keeping Harvey a little less windy. So there's a lot of trees between. Oh, man, we got a from right on the driveway.
You mean you get it?
No. So we are home. Home sweet home, everybody.
Yep.
So we're gonna pull up here. And Harvey is still standing.
Well, if you get too close.
And we're gonna, I think we have enough room. Ta-da!
Yay!